Hey guys, a couple of things on the notes for A.3C. We're going to graph linear functions on the coordinate plane and identify key features including the x-intercept, y-intercept, zero, and slope. So, as you know, the coordinate plane is a two-dimensional plane formed by the intersection of a vertical line called the y-axis. Turn on the pointer. Well, it's not working. Let's turn this on. Called the y-axis, and a horizontal line called the x-axis. These are perpendicular lines that intersect each other at zero, right there. And that is called the origin, okay? So we know that from proportional relationships, and that is coming back at us in algebra. The y-intercept is a point where the graph of a function crosses the y-axis. We know this is referred to as b in the equation y equals mx plus b. So we can see here that it's crossing at -5, and that is your y-intercept. That is where it crosses the y-axis. The x-intercept is a point where the graph of a function crosses the x-axis. Okay, we never talked about that you were in 7th grade pre-AP or maybe 8th grade math. And the x-intercept can also be referred to as the zeros of the function. So for this example here, we can see that the x-intercept is also -5. That is where it crosses the x-axis. And then once again, zeros, it is the x-coordinate of the x-intercept. And to find the zero of a linear function, find the point where the line crosses the x-axis, right here. And we can see it crosses at -5. So once you find the x-intercept, you have also found the zero. It's the same thing. Okay, we have another diagram here. We have intercepts and zeros. And we can see the y-intercept on this graph is crossing at 4. And we can see the x-intercept is crossing at 2, which is also the zero. So when y is 0, x is 2. For the y-intercept, when x is 0, y is 4. Okay? Slope. We all love slope. We do slope so much. Hopefully you remember this, as this is a review. So slope is the change in y over the change in x. It is the m in the equation y equals mx plus b. So you can do this so many different ways, and I'm going to try to run through this quickly for you as I don't want the video to be long. You find 2 exact points on the graph, and they found those for us here. And you're going to count up for y, 1, 2. So the rise is 2. And the run is 1, 2, 3. So your slope is 2 over 3. They also documented the points here on the graph. You can see this point is -2 and 1. And point 2 is 1 and 3. So you can put that in your calculator and you can figure out the slope as well. Let's see if we can do that now. See if I can get my calculator to come up. And things aren't running as fast as they should. And now we're back and we have the calculator up. Second plus 712. Let's clear it. We're going to hit stat, enter, and I'm going to put these two points in this table. I'm going to put -2, and I'm going to put 1. I'm going to tab over, and I'm going to put 1 and 3. I'm going to hit stat, tab, 4, enter, and we know that our slope is 0.66. And we can see here we got 2/3. And we can also see the y-intercept is 2.33. And I can see that that is crossing at about 2.33. And let's see what that is there. Remember, if you have to convert, oh, come on now. There we go. So 2 divided by 3 is going to give us 0.66, and that's what we saw. So we know the slope is 0.66 or 2/3. We saw the y-intercept was 2.33. And you can write the equation as y equals mx plus b, where your slope is 0.66 and your y-intercept is 2.33. That'll do it for these notes. Hopefully you can look at the graph and figure out the slope, the y-intercept, the zeros, and the x-intercept. Thank you for watching.